On this episode of Daily Dose of Two Reviews, we're unboxing the Warrior 12-volt cordless variable speed rotary toolkit, a HyperTough 12-volt max cordless brushless tool combo kit, the impact driver, and the drill driver, along with its two 2-amp volt batteries, a better charger, and a 4-amp battery. Stay tuned. Okay, let's start with HyperTough with its better charger and its 4-amp battery. Well, as you can see, it's a much better charger than the one that comes with the kit, and it's a bigger battery for $25. Okay, I do have to say that I do like the way this was packaged. It reminds me of the Skill, the 12-volt. Of course, smaller box, smaller charger in there. Let's open it up. Baby charger. Toss it to the side. You got your impact driver. And you have your drill driver. Speed 1, speed 2, adjustable chuck, adjusted to drill. Shows you the full charge there on the tool. Same as the impact driver. You can see there, brushless. We will be making further feature videos with these tools. I plan to put them up against Skill and maybe Hercules, since they're in the price range, even though these I'm assuming are better. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. Okay, now we have the Warrior 12-volt cordless variable speed rotary toolkit. Let's open it up. First up is the actual tool. Has a rubber grip. Looks like it has multiple speeds. Has a power button. Plus and minus buttons there for the speed. Comes with instructions. With its toy charger. And I believe this is a 1.3 battery. 12 volt is the only size they have. That's the only drawback to this Warrior line, is that they only have one size battery for both tools. Both their 12 volt and their 18 volt or 20 volt, whatever it is they call it. You have no indicator if your battery's charged or not. So, at least not on the tool. You actually have to go connect it with a little toy here. Actually, this one connects there. Once it's done charging, there is a green light on top that will turn on. Okay, so it doesn't just come with a little charger, it comes with a little kit. Get these things out of the way. Comes in a little plastic case, little baby wrench. Tighten your bits up. Oh, it even comes with a polishing wax. Okay. See what the box says. Alright. Accessories that are included for this: spanner wrench, accessory storage box, 1 1/4 inch fiberglass cutoff wheels. That's 3 of those. One cutoff wheel mandrel with 1/8 inch of a shank. One 1/4 inch drum sander mandrel. One 1/2 inch drum sander mandrel, 1 3/8 by 1/2 inch, 120 grit aluminum oxide grinding wheel. One 1/4 screw mandrel for polishing wheels. One 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch, 60 grit sanding drum. A 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, 60 grit sanding drum. One felt polishing wheel. One polishing compound bar. 1/8 inch high-speed steel drill bit, and one wire brush wheel. And you can use these on wood, metal, and plastic. Okay, let's see. It says a variable speed from 5,000 to 3,200. I'm sorry, from 5,000 to 32,000 RPMs. Spindle lock for quick bit changes, for sanding, carving, etching, and buffing. So there will be a future video on this tool. Some of the things we can use it for around the house. Okay. Sorry for interrupting the video. I just want to let you guys know that we're also available now to watch on Rumble. Alright, so you can see us here on YouTube and you can see us here on Rumble. Alright, YouTube, Rumble. More views, more tools. Thank you guys. Alright guys, this was Daily Dose of Tool Reviews. Hoping you have enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, future videos you will see these tools in action. When we can do this around the house, and this going up against skill and maybe the Hercules. Alright guys, well thank you guys. This is Daily Dose of Tool Reviews. Signing out.